Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your age on your Instagram account. So first of all, what you will need to do is you will need to head over to your Instagram app. Once you head over to Instagram here, you can then click on your profile picture in the bottom right hand corner, and then you can click on the three lines in the top right hand corner to come over to this menu, and then click on the settings option. Once you click on settings, you will then need to click on account and then click on personal information. So once you click on personal information, as you can see, there is an option for date of birth right down there at the bottom. And if you want to change this, just simply click on this right here, and then that will bring you over to this page. So as you can see at the top, there is an option for date of birth. From here, what you can do is you can change the day, you can change the month, you can change the year. And then once you change it, you can then click on I confirm that I am 23 years old or whatever it is for you. Check that box right there and then click on the save button. So that's how simple it is to go ahead and change your age on your Instagram account.